To approach this subject of the return of Christ with a larger perspective and structure of the New Testament in terms of the last days and then the last day. This is the way to understand this more properly. So, style to disregard dangers. And Jesus himself said in Matthew 24, if you are persecuted in one town, anong sabi niya? Don't bother about it, I will protect you. No, he said, if you're persecuted in one town, flee to the next. So there's the right sense of avoiding danger if you could. They distinguish between Christ coming for the saints and Christ coming with the saints. Actually, strictly speaking, you will not find Christ coming for the saints. What you will read is the saints, that the righteous mean.
Discuss muna. So, kasi yan ba ang sinasabi mo na
dispensation?
Oo. Yung turo ba?
Yan po ay mga dispensationalists na hindi magkasundo kung yun by pre-trib, meaning the 7-year tribulation is Christ comes before the 7-year tribulation. Meron nagsasabing mid-trib, between the 7 years, meaning 3.5 years, it's then that Christ will come, mid-trib. At meron ng post-trib na after the 7 come, all are wrong. Because the tribulation period, as I've said, the whole church age from the first coming to the second coming. Now within that church age, there is that small segment that Jesus described in Matthew 24 as the Great Tribulation. Pero it is referring po to the fall of Jerusalem in 70 AD. Sa makatwid, tapos na ang Great Tribulation. Pero narito pa tayo sa tribulation of the church age.
May pangatlo pero nakalimutan ko. Thank you so much.